is the day before my birthday. I'm turning 30 and I am gonna make myself a chocolate cake, a triple chocolate cake to be specific. And it's only gonna be like a little 4-inch, maybe 3-layer cake. I have my little helper right here, Miguelito. He is ready to help me bake. We have all the ingredients out besides some coffee that I need to make right now. And he is very excited, as you can see. So we're gonna get started. Hey. No, deja, eso es el huevo. Listo, ok, ponlo en el bowl. Yay! Espérate. Ten. Ponlo en el bowl. Yay! Okay. 3 cups. Yay! Okay, ponlo aquí adentro. All done with the flour, all done. Actually, wait. Actually, it's 2 cups. It's 2 cups of flour, so we gotta do another 3 of these. Oh, this is getting messy already. Next, we're gonna do 3/4 cup of cocoa. I don't have much left, so I'm probably gonna use all of this up. And then I also bought some local cocoa from the grocery store here. Okay, here's the first one. Then put on cocoa. Cocoa powder. Oh, I just missed it. Clean. Okay, wait. Vamos a poner más cocoa. This one. And that will be 3-ish. Not gonna be exact, but it's okay. Okay. Yay! The cocoa powder. Cocoa powder. Right on that, I forgot to get the teaspoons. Okay. Ten cuidado. No se come, okay? No se come. No se come. Then I say 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. 1. A teaspoon of baking soda. That's local from here. 1/4 teaspoon. 1 of baking soda. Gentle. Okay, and then all together. My little helper decided to go take a little play break. So I'm gonna continue on. The butter here comes in like these blocks of 200 grams or 400 grams. So 2 cups or 3/4 cup of butter is 168 grams. And this is just granulated sugar, but the sugar here, in Uzbekistan is like the coarse one. They don't have like actual like fine granulated sugar. So that's what I'm using. And he is back. So we're gonna cream that together. Wait, espera, mira. Muy bien. Let's put it at a higher speed. Now we will add the eggs. Then 1, 2, 3. A teaspoon of vanilla. I'm just gonna eyeball the vanilla. Now we are going to add the dry ingredients. And we don't have buttermilk, so I'm gonna use this milk. It's 6%. 1.25 cups or 300 milliliters of milk. And he likes to pour, so definitely gonna be helping me with this. Okay, and then we're gonna mix. And a little bit more of the milk. Now we will add the rest of the dry ingredients. That's everything. And the rest of the milk. Then, mete la leche. Gentle. Yay! Oh, he wants to pour more milk. Now here I have half a cup of hot coffee. This is gonna bring out that chocolate flavor, and then just mix it until it's all combined. This is what it looks like. Now they're gonna go into the oven for maybe about 25 minutes. Meanwhile, my little assistant over here poured himself a cup of milk. While that bakes, it's gonna be time for cleaning. This is my least favorite part, cleaning up, but it has to be done because after I clean up, I'm gonna make the filling for the cake, which is gonna be a chocolate Oreo buttercream frosting and chocolate ganache. It's the next day, it's my birthday. 5 p.m. I got home from work. I picked up Miguelito from daycare and we're gonna finish decorating my cake. I will say though, I had cake at work because my husband surprised me with 2 chocolate cakes and a lot of my friends and our friends and people at work. So that was a surprise, but I still want to finish up my cake. I have my chocolate buttercream here. And I put some of the Oreo crumbs. So now what I'm doing is I am finishing up the chocolate ganache. The ganache is ready. So I'm gonna decorate it really quickly because my husband is actually on his way back from work. And we're gonna go out to eat somewhere, so I wanna have this done. So I don't even have to use a turntable, and I don't have a cake board, so I'm just gonna use this plate. ¿Quieres probar? Pruébalo. I think I made a little bit too much, but espérate. But it's better to have more than not enough. We got our crumb coat. Back to the fridge it goes for a few minutes. Finally, the last step, top coat. Here is the final result of my little cake. So now we're gonna go to dinner and come back and cut the cake here at home.